my cat.
Yeah.
Do you have any sort of cutter? Oh, hey.
That shit destroyed.
He needs a
Have a look. Can you see that?
I think
my mechanic zip tied it on.
bro, that is fucking destroyed.
Oh yeah, we.
I think you have one on the left side, top left.
No.
Oh fuck, Willie.
Yeah, there is one there, Tristan, right there.
Do I?
Yeah.
Wait, no, there's.
Oh no, it's not.
No,
It's just the zip tie. I think.
just zip tied. Yeah.
Do you want a thing to?
Yes.
Yeah. You can leave here.
Oh,
hey.
Oh, hey.
Do you want a lighter underneath the car?
I know.
Zero, thank you.
Mmm.
Yeah.
It's the old one. It's clearly fucking destroyed. But this is the new one. Hey Tristan, what's this like made of?
Oh, it's just probably the
Metal?
washing machine.
Yeah, it needs to be done.
Just a surface. Nothing.
Front and rear needs to be done.
Yeah, you should. Oh no, I mean to the actual red thing. It doesn't. Yeah.
RS content for today. We will pick it up once we know if the screws work. Under tray is installed. Happy about your under tray?
Yeah, man, looks nice.
Comes off, danger to manifold. Danger to manifold when it breaks off in the freeway.
That's why you said you need to lift it up. Also, I need an extender.
Nathan B.
Wait, what?
Nathan B. Can we have this? Can we have your
It's
one?
a half.
Nathan B.
It's a half.
Oh, you might have grabbed Imperial instead of
Do I have both?
Nathan B.
13?
Oh
Goddamn.
fuck! Okay, it's got to extend on.
That's big, huh?
Yeah, it's a big boy.
Goddamn. Aggressive, man.
Is this hot?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's not.
Thought to play dirty today.
Can I have the pen tool so I can pick up the heat?
So that's a wow. This should be easy.
Yeah. I think it is, Henry. I really hope it is.
Oh, we might have to take your wheel off, bro.
But yeah, that's of course the throwaway.
I don't know how this goes. Oh. Fuck.
That's our ball! That's our ball!
That's our ball. Double.
What the fuck is that? Is it? What's that? What's that?
My nut.
And now the rear swaber is installed. I did all the work, clearly, that's why my hands are the most dirtiest here. Seeing if they did a good job.
Modern. Very perpendicular. Very perpendicular.
Wait, is it like fully on, John?
What did you install again?
So we installed a swaber and
do the Asian
I trust them easy.
I don't know about that one, kid.
How do you do that? I can't.
Hands back as well.
No, bro, that's impressive. Have you ever taken a shit like that?
No. I hope I don't ever have to.
Wow, that's pretty tracker.
I'm really scared to what's in here. It's still 10-year coffee.
This is a cash tray.
Oh, actually. No, it's actually not open. I have no idea. Give me any tools.
We tighten this, you put it down, right?
You put a hole in it?
Yep.
Huh?
You good, Nathan?
Dude, that's actually
That's dude, that was fucking heavy, this wheel.
Is it in?
Is it in?
Can't see it, so yeah.
Oh, fuck, it's in.
Are you in?
So I installed the exhaust, I know guys. I didn't come 2 hours late. I installed the exhaust.
I can still push you some more. Tell me where to stop.
Not good.
One sec. I don't know if I understand what I'm
Yeah, same.
1 sec.
I'm a bit scared, I'm not gonna lie.
What are you doing?
Oh damn, I didn't know it was that far out of the house.
Tristan, explain what exhaust you fitted.
Alright.
I meant I fitted.
This is the Baller 3-inch.
This is the Borla Attack.
Yeah.
It's the louder of the two options. There's the Borla S-Type. That's the quieter of the two options. And we've got the Borla Attack. So the Borla Attack has no valve. It's open all the time. So the pops
sound
are
American, bro.
really loud and quite dense as well. So it's gonna be pretty good. So let's hear it. You ready?
Should I be in here?
I don't know. Maybe I
No, we'll be fine.
3 a.m. Civic. Sounds right here.
I love the way it sounds.
Not that loud, but it sounds like a tractor.
Tractor.
NA, just because you're NA, you don't have a whistle.
Alright, anyways, back to the RS. No, that's okay. It's good. It's actually a good
to
sound.
jump.
Yeah, it's nice. I like it.
Yeah.
Is this on sports mode or normal?
There's no difference now. Sports mode.
Sports mode should open it up, wasn't it?
Oh, it's going straight.
Turn this way, turn this way. Come. Okay, go back. Go back. Go back. Alright, good.
We get there eventually.
This motherfucker can't get out of his own driveway, bro.
Problems with the RS. There we go.
It sounds so loud.
Oh no.
Holy fuck.
My fucking god. I'm losing my license, bro.
Dude, fucking hell. Oh my god, that shit's loud. I'm speed bumper.
Speed bumps here are not bad. That one is.
Yeah,
The rest will go over.
Dude, that is so loud. What the fuck? Oh,
Oh my god. Gotta come.
dude, that is fucking loud. Bro, imagine the
I tickled it. Yeah, I think I tickled this one too.
Oh fuck. Oh dear, that was a bit hard. Oh, you can hear it.
Bro just ran that shit over.
Bro, it's actually very loud when you're on it. Pops are so. Oh, they're so good. Oh,
EPA 11's coming in soon.
yeah.
Dude, that is fucking mental. That is mental. Damn!
Hi guys. Hi. Yusuf's driving the car. Oh shit. Said he doesn't like it, he's hopping out.
What the fuck is this, bro?
He's a pussy. He doesn't like.
Fuck, bro.
This guy claims to drive manual. Turn the wheel!
I know, I'm hopping out.
No, no, don't, we're fine, we're fine.
This car's a piece of shit, bro. What the fuck is this? I turn the camera off, dude.
Oh shit. No, you're good.
What the fuck, bro?
Go, you're good.
Hopping out.
You at least have to hit me to help it out. No, I'm trying to cut the whole fuck.
Ah, fuck this, bro.
Just park it.
Fuck this, cuz. What the fuck is this, bro? Nah, bro. Fuck. What the fuck is this car, bro? I know.
Take it.
Nah, bro, take this shit, bro. This is so weird, bro. I don't like it.
It goes alright.
It goes, bro, I blipped the throttle like that. I fucking hit like 5,000 RPM, bro.
No, you're good.
What the fuck, bro? Hey, are we gonna roll back?
That's stupid.
Okay, we're good.
If you got the handbrake on, fine.
Okay, it works.
The handbrake's alright, yeah?
Yeah, it works. Surprise.
Alright, are we in neutral? Look at your fucking shift knob, bro.
Yeah, well, that's still fucking
Alright, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed some more RS content. It's been quite a bit since we've done actually some RS content on this channel, but it's good. Tristan bought some parts, that's why. And the car sounds completely different with an exhaust, obviously. But we didn't expect it to be this loud. But at the same time, hopefully you guys enjoyed. We will be doing more RS content in the future. We have more plans to take on the Tog in the future as the weather is getting better, so you'll be seeing more Togo videos. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Have a great rest of your day, and as always, like and subscribe for more.